Guinean Peanut Sauce. A side dish from Guinea. Serves 4. You will need 15 ingredients. Step 1. Sautee the onion and garlic in the oil until tender. Step 2. Add everything except the chicken and peanut butter. Bring it just to a boil to get the bouillon cubes dissolved. Step 3. Bring it to a simmer and add the peanut butter. Step 4. Let an NBSP, it simmer about an hour. Add the chicken breast. Simmer until the chicken breast is done. Step 5. If you don't want the sauce spicy, leave the peppers whole. If you'd like it spicy, break them up a little but take care not to release too much of the oils. Step 6. If you're in a rush, just add the peanut butter and chicken all at once and simmer until you like the consistency and the chicken is finished. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.